Flyway. It's day 5 of our trip in 2023. We're hunting in Central Saskatchewan with our good friends, Randy and Brayden Woolrich, Ace Outfitting. If you guys want to go to Canada, check them out. You will not regret it. And this is a field that's close to the roost, but it's a field that we can run traffic on. We've got a bunch of different birds that started showing up. We had 2 days of north wind, really good migration wind, and we decided to run traffic close to the roost because a lot of times these birds pull in, they're a little bit disoriented, and it worked out really well. We had the sun on our back, wind at our back, and the birds ate it up.
We just got the troops all rounded up. Everyone's on the program now. It's taking us about half an hour less to set up, take down. So we're gonna run out there, get the spread set up, hunt full bodies again. A couple of the juvie jukeboxes, panel blinds, and we're gonna go for broke. Game time. 4-pack, doing it dirty.
They're gonna land by all the other boys out there.
I know.
Kill him.
Here. Dang it.
What's happening this morning?
All right, we just made a quick adjustment. We got birds coming, but we had a real loose spread down the tail, and the birds were just landing right in the tail. So we pulled majority of them back up and put them above the mass. Kind of like a Nike swoosh, but hopefully these birds are going to try and creep up and get above.
Coming from the left.
If we can land them, we're going to land them.
Kill the single.
That's called insanity. Snow goose go number 1. I think we messed him up. Got a little greasy, boys.
Kill him.
John Galati, what do you got to say?
It's the most beautiful day we've had so far. It's nice and crisp, and they're doing it dirty.
Kill him. This is getting a little sporty. It's getting sporty real fast. So, we're about 25 minutes into the hunt.
We're at 51. A couple good bunches and they start adding up real fast. So that decoy adjustment was critical. We pulled up that tail, like I said, brought them to the front, and now these birds are landing at 15, 20 yards. One thing about snow geese, that first bunch that lands, if they stick, awesome. If they don't stick, don't freak out. Hopefully they get up, get right back in line. There's another bunch coming. It's been the second group that's trying to land. That's our best. You can watch them as they start pushing each other down. That's the flock that you want to really key in on. So they're just now getting started to fly too. It's just now starting to happen. Kill them, boys. Go ahead and kill these. Coming back. Kill them, boys. Kill them.
Place. Place. Okay. Place.
Kill them. I forgot to say saw him down. Next time.
He's dead.
Well.
Kill him!
Wow, Hunter, we get some really good ideas.
4-pack left. Go up top.
That's a 20 gauge shot right there. I wish I double tapped that one. Did you?
Kill the 4. We got a flock of birds out front starting to work. We need them. We need a couple more to hit the century mark on snow geese today. So trying to kill 100. We got a few starting to look. Kill us, too. Stir. All right, we're wrapping her up. It is 9:52. We hit our mark. We wanted to kill 100. That was our goal today, and we did it. Pretty awesome. So, again, kind of a casual 110 birds, but we're gonna get picked up, and whoa, I'm gonna go make some biscuits and gravy. That's what we're doing. So, and then we've got a lot of birds to clean and process and get them tagged and bagged and in the freezer.